Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. Today we are going to do exercise 23C, question number 11. Question number 11, a rectangular plot of land is 50 meter long. That means length of the rectangle is given here. The cost of leveling the plot. Cost of leveling the plot is not leveled and the plot is going to be leveled. The cost of leveling the plot at rupees 12.50 per meter square. Okay, the cost is this much and the total cost is rupees 20,000. Okay, so at this rate the total cost is 20,000. Now find number 1, the area of the plot. The area of the plot. And number 2, the breadth of the plot. And number 3, perimeter of the plot. So here given is the total cost of leveling at this rate, and we have to find these three things. With this given, we'll start the work. Okay, so given here is length of the plot is 50 meter and the cost of leveling, total cost of leveling is 20,000 and cost of leveling per meter square is rupees 12.50. okay, per meter square this is. And the total cost of leveling is equals to rupees 20,000. Now we know number 1, area of the plot is equals to total cost by cost per meter square. It will give us the area of the plot, that is total cost of leveling by cost of leveling per meter square. Okay, so which is equals to 20,000 by 12.50, and when we divide it we'll get 1600 meter square. Okay, the unit of area is here meter square, since cost of leveling is given in per meter square, so here the unit will be meter square. So this much is the area of that rectangular plot. This is number 1. Now number 2, we have to find the breadth of the plot we have to find. Okay, to find the breadth of the plot, so First, let us take it as area of the plot is equals to 1600 meter square, and the formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth is equals to 1600 here. So length is given here 50 meter. So 50 meter into breadth that we have to find 1600. Now this zero cancels. Okay, it is meter square. This and 1 meter, and from here 1 meter cancels. Okay, and 5 also cancels with this. 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10. Okay, so therefore B we got as 32 meter. Okay, 32 meter. The breadth we got. Now number 3 is to find perimeter of the plot. So perimeter will be given by 2 length plus breadth. Okay, that is number 3. Perimeter of the plot is equals to 2 length plus breadth. Here 2 is 2 only, length is 50 given, and breadth we have found, that is 32. Unit will be meter. So when we calculate it, we'll get 2 into 82, and again here 164 meter. Okay, so we have found area of the plot, breadth of the plot, and perimeter of the plot. Okay, question number 12. Find the area and perimeter of the shaded part in each of the following figures. Okay, this is number 1 figure. So here we have to find area and perimeter of this figure. Okay, and given is the length of the sides here. So from here let us start the length. 2 meter, 9 meter, 2.5 meter. Okay, this is missing, we have to find out. 1.5 meter, this is 18 meter, here is 1 meter, and this is missing, we have to find out. 4.5 meter, this is also missing, this is also missing, this is also missing. So by going through this figure, just we have to make idea how much is this length. Okay, we have to calculate it. So perimeter means the total boundary of the figure. Okay, so sum of the lengths of all the line segments here is the perimeter of this figure. Okay, so 2 meter, here is 9 meter, from here to here is the sum of these two, this line segment and this line segment is equal to this line segment. That means 1 plus 1.5 is, this is 2.5 meter, from here to here is 2.5 meter. This is given, this is also given, here also given, this is also given, and this is missing. So this length is 18 meter opposite to this, that is equal to this line. So that is 18 meter. This one also, here 4.5 meter, this one is missing. So this line segment and this line segment is also equal. Okay, so because of that this will be 2.5 meter, and this one is also missing. So how to calculate this one? From here to here is 4.5, from here to here is 1 meter, here it is given, and from here to here is 1.5. The sum of these three line segments is equal to 4.5, 5.5, and 5.5, 6.5, and with this 0.5, 7. So total length from here to here is 7, and here you have to subtract this 2 meter, 1 meter, and 1.5 meter. 2, 3, 4, 4.5. So 7 minus 4.5, 7.0 minus 4.5 gives you 2.5. So this is 2.5. From here to here is 2.5. We can write also this is 2.5 meter, this is also 2.5 meter, this one is 18 meter. Okay, and this is 9 meter, opposite to this 9 meter. From here to here we got 1 plus 1.5, that is 2.5 here. So now it's very easy to find the perimeter. We have to add all these line segments. Okay, this is 2.5. Now perimeter of this figure, perimeter of the figure will be equal to, here you can write according to figure, ATF, according to figure. Okay, given figure. So here let us start from here. Okay, 2 meter plus 9 meter plus 2.5 meter, again 2.5 meter, here we are. Then after 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter plus 18 meter plus 1 meter, again 18 meter plus 4.5 meter plus 2.5 meter plus 2.5 meter. Plus 9. When you add these all lengths, you will get 73, and the unit of the perimeter here is meter, as all the lengths are in meter. So the unit of the perimeter will be meter. Okay, now area we have to find. Area of this figure, we can divide or we can separate these figures, okay, in three parts. Suppose this part is A, and this part, this middle one, is suppose B, and this is C, suppose. So we can find the area of this part, as this is a rectangle, this is also a rectangle. We can find the area of this part also, and we can find the area of this part also. This is also rectangle. So the area of this given figure will be the sum of the area of this part, and this part. Okay, so the length and breadth of this rectangle is 9 meter and 2 meter, length into breadth. So we got the area of this, and here this part, length into breadth, length is 4.5 plus 1 plus 1.5, that is 7, we have calculated. 7 into 2.5. So this is the area of this part, and the area of this part will be the length into breadth, that is 18 into 1. So let us do area of the figure. Area of the figure will be equal to area of A plus area of B plus area of C. Okay, so area of A will be given by 9 into 2. Okay, 9 into 2 plus area of B is given by length into breadth plus the area of C is given by length into breadth. So when you multiply this, you will get 18, and here you will get 7 into 2.5. Do in drop 17.5 plus 18. Okay, now when you add this, you will get the area of the given figure, that is 53.5 meter square. Okay, the area of this figure is 53.5 meter square. The unit is meter square because lengths are given in meter here.